Yep.
All right, so here I have some snow that I just collected from outside. It's real snow. I've crushed it together to form a ball, and I am going to heat it in a measuring cup over the stove to show that it will melt. All right.
Now, snow is mostly air. It's tiny crystals. So as it first begins to melt, what will happen is the water, by capillary action, will take up the spaces in between the crystals. But here you have real water from snow.
And it doesn't smell like chemicals. It doesn't smell like plastic. It's clearly snow. And now we have water. So now I'm going to take the other ball of snow that I have over here. See, it's real snow that I've crushed together. And I'm going to use the flame from this lighter, which is a slightly different type of flame.
Right. When you look at the blue flame on the stove, all of the carbon was being burnt. The reason why this Bic lighter is going to have a whitish yellow flame is because not all the carbon gets burnt, it just gets heated up, and then it will deposit as soot. Since butane is actually a combination, the butane lighter is actually a combination of a number of different hydrocarbons, it's going to leave a plasticky residue because it's not completely burned as it condenses on the flame,
you will
on
see
the snowball.
That it's just evaporating.
It's not really evaporating. It's being sucked in by capillary action into the spaces in between the snow crystal grains.
So it's a different effect than putting it over the stove. And it does leave these little black residue that people have been seeing. And it does have an unusual smell to it because it's got the Bic lighter fluid smell.
Now, would you go grab a white plate for me, please?
Sure.
Because I'm going to show folks that it is, in fact, the soot from... Hold this underneath the plate. No, just lift the plate up.
Okay.
Lift the plate up. Don't put that in there.
Okay.
See? Look. There's soot. That soot that you see under the plate is the same soot that you see forming here. Hold that out now. Look, it's the same exact soot. You guys, there's nothing strange about snow. There's only people who are easily fooled because they haven't paid attention in high school science class. Today's edition of Mr. Wizard is now done.